I'm Nichole, the director of the Santa Fe School of Cooking. This is my family's business where we've been celebrating the foods of New Mexico for 30 years. It all started with my mom, Susan Curtis, who had a midlife crisis, made a list of things that were interesting to her. One of the things on the list was to open a regional cooking school. We really want to set a sense of place, that you're here in Santa Fe. This is really different from any place else in the country. Every class, no matter what it is, we try to make sure you know you're here in New Mexico, and we really want to talk about the unique culinary history that we have here in Santa Fe. We do demonstration style classes. We also do hands-on cooking classes where our guests put on aprons and cook alongside our chefs. Tamales, rellenos, tortillas, everything's made from scratch here at the Santa Fe School of Cooking. We also do restaurant walking tours. I love my job, this is so fun. Probably about 90%, 95% of everything in the market is from New Mexico. This is a place where we're all here having a great time, and we want our customers to come here and have a great time with us.